Welcome to FIXtastic Contents. Is your MSI laptop not turning on? Then stay tuned and I will show you what to do. You need to apply an EC reset, which is a embedded controller reset. To do this, you need to remove the charger cable inserted into your laptop, remove anything attached to USB, and then you need to open up the back cover and remove the battery cable so the battery is not connected to your laptop. Once you've done that, you need to turn the laptop on the other side, press the power button for 1 minute now. Okay, so once you open the lid of the laptop, press the power button for 1 minute, hold it down. You need to press and hold down the power button for 1 minute. After 1 minute, reconnect your battery cable and insert your charger tip into the laptop and make sure the adapter is switched on from the plug switch, and then press the power button and then your laptop should power on. If this video has helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel and I will catch you on the next one. Thank you for watching.